Hello, welcome my dear children to another session of biology. Hope all of you are staying safe at your home by obeying the instructions given by the health department. Okay. Always remember SMS. Keep social distancing. Wear double-layered mask. Use sanitizer and be safe at your home. Try to include more fruits and vegetables in your diet. Drink plenty of water, exercise regularly and be safe at your home. So, just listen to today's thought. Happiness depends on what you can give, not on what you can get. Is it? So, what's the meaning of this thought? Yes, actual happiness depends on what you can give. നൽകുന്നതിലാണ് യഥാർത്ഥ സന്തോഷം എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് അല്ലേ? Not on what you can get. അല്ലാതെ നമുക്ക് മാത്രം കിട്ടുന്നതിലാണോ യഥാർത്ഥ സന്തോഷം എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്? അല്ല. Actual happiness depends on what you can give. അല്ലേ? ആൾക്കാരെ സഹായിക്കാനായിട്ട് ശ്രമിക്കുക, മറ്റുള്ളവർക്ക് നല്ല കാര്യങ്ങൾ ചെയ്യുക, നല്ലത് ചിന്തിക്കുക, നല്ല കാര്യങ്ങൾ പറഞ്ഞു കൊടുക്കുക. യെസ്. സോ അതിലൂടെ നമ്മൾ യഥാർത്ഥ സന്തോഷം കണ്ടെത്താനായിട്ട് ശ്രമിക്കണം. ആവശ്യമുള്ള ആൾക്കാർക്ക് സഹായം ചെയ്തു. ഓക്കെ. സോ ഡിയർ ചിൽഡ്രൻ, always keep this thought in your mind, that is, happiness depends on what you can give but not on what you can get. Okay. So let's move on to today's topic, that is, today's revision chapter is getting to know plants. What all things we have discussed in this chapter? So first of all, we have studied about types of plants. Is it? In these types of plants, we have discussed about herbs, shrubs, trees, creepers, climbers. Okay. Then what do you mean by herbs, Shivani? Can you say? Yes, plants with green and tender stem. Okay. Then what about shrubs, Balesh? Yes, plants with hard stem. Is thick but not that much thick as of trees and all. Is it? Such type of plants are called shrubs. Then what about trees, Adityan? Yes, plants with tall and hard stem. They are called trees. Then after that, we have studied about creepers, climbers. Kirtana, what are creepers? Yes, the plants which creep on the ground. It is called creeper. Then what do you mean by climbers? Yes, the plants which climb or which need a support to withstand. Such type of plants are called climbers. So, these are the major types of plants, is it? Aryan, which are they? Yes, you are correct. Herbs, shrubs, trees, creepers, climbers. Is it clear? So next is the main part of the plant, is it? That is stem. So what's the function of stem, Vaiga Jaykumar? Yes, you are correct. The main function of the stem is to conduct water and minerals, and it transfers to all other parts of the plant, is it? Then after that, we have studied about leaf. The main parts or the main portions of leaf we have discussed, is it? See this diagram? One middle line, that is called midrib. Then the broad portion of the leaf, it is called lamina. The part where it is attached to stem, that is petiole, is it? So, these lines we can say veins. Okay? And the design made by the leaf, it is called venation. So we have studied about two types of venation. Aishwarya, can you say which are the two types of venation? Yes, right. Parallel reticulae. Is it? So what do you mean by parallel venation, Sandra? Yes, the veins, is it, are parallel to one another. Then what about reticulate venation, Shraddha? Yes, network design. It is called reticulate venation. So which are the major two types of venation? Yes, parallel venation and reticulate venation. Is it clear? The other main part of a plant, it is called, that is roots. And what is the function of a root? Yes, correct. To anchor the plant or to fix the plant firmly in the soil. And there are two types of root system. Which are they, Suraj? Yes, taproot, fibrous root. Correct, is it? Taproot means there will be one main root, and from that main root several lateral roots arises. It is called taproot. Then what about fibrous root? Yes, there is no main root, only lateral roots are available. So which are the two main types of root system? Yes, taproot system and fibrous root system. Is it clear? So next we are going to discuss about transpiration. What do you mean by transpiration, Ardra? Yes, the process in which plants or the process in which leaves escape or water is escaped through leaves in the form of water vapor. Is it? After the activities, excess water is escaped through the leaves in the form of what? Water vapor. It is called transpiration. And next one is photosynthesis. Anakha, already we have revised and studied so many times. What do you mean by photosynthesis? Is it? So can you say what is photosynthesis? Yes, correct. The process in which leaves synthesize their food. Is it? By using chlorophyll, sunlight, in the presence of sunlight. And they take in oxygen and give out take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. And that oxygen is taken up by the animals and human beings, right? So that process is called photosynthesis. Is it clear?
So see this bud and flower, the main attractive part of a plant, flower. The prominent part of the flower, it is called petals. Okay. Then below that petal you can see green colored leaf-like structure. It is called sepal. So is it clear, dear children? Next you can see the parts of a flower, that is stamens and pistil. The main parts of a flower, stamens and pistil. So see this parts of a stamen. You can see the top portion, it is called anther, and below that anther you can see filament. The next is parts of a pistil. Okay, see stigma, style and ovary. The main parts of the pistil, which are they? The upper portion is called stigma, and below that stigma you can see the style. Below that style you can see the swollen portion, that is called ovary. And do you know, inside the ovary the ovules are present. Okay, so which are the main parts of a pistil? Stigma, style and ovary. Is it clear, dear children?
So dear children, I hope all of you understood the whole chapter. So again and again I am saying that you have have to read your textbook. I got an information from your parents that you are not at all good in reading your textbook. Okay? So not only science, you have to read all the textbook daily. That's it. Okay, so there is no excuse for that. You have to read your textbook thoroughly and write the notes. Study the notes. If you have any more doubts, you can just text me in WhatsApp. So my dear children, God bless you all. Let's meet you in the next class. Thank you.